Hi, this is Carmelo and welcome to Excel Help for Beginners. Today's video is another Excel functions that will surely save your time and effort. These functions are the following: substitute and replace function. Substitute function substitutes or replace new text for an old text. Substitute is a case sensitive. It means capital B is different from small letter v. And the syntax will be like this: equals substitute text and then the old text and the new text. To explain further, I'm going to give you example first for substitute before I discuss about replace function. Technically, this substitute function and replace function are almost the same, only the differ in syntax, because the syntax of replace function is replace text start number of characters, and then the new text. But I will explain first the substitute function using this example. So using substitute letter M with 1, 2, 3. So I will write here the syntax. The syntax will be text, old text, and then the new text. For the old text, for the text, the text refers to this one, which is referred to as cell, which is in B10, and the old text will be M, which we are going to substitute, and the new text will be the 1, 2, 3, which is the new text that we are going to replace with M. So to start with our example, we just have to write equals replace the syntax. It's not syntax, it's substitute. Substitute. So to write with the formula equals substitute, or you just can click also this one. The text, which is this one, then comma, and then the old text from this example is M, so you just have to put quotation marks, capital M. So remember that substitute is case sensitive, so if you want to replace M with the 1, 2, 3, you just have to write the capital or small, and then 1, 2, 3, and then quotation marks and close parenthesis and 10. So this will be our result. So since capital M is here, so as you can see, M is replaced by 1, 2, 3 in this first word, and then you can drag it down here up to the fifth example. So in the second example, the same what happens. M is being replaced by 1, 2, 3, and in this third example, you can see the difference. We have two letter M, the small one and the big one. The small one remains small letter M, while the big one was replaced or substituted by 1, 2, 3. So that is case sensitive means. Case sensitive means it treated a capital letter from a small letter as different. And then for the next example is M, big letter M, small letter M, and big letter M. Only the big letter M was substituted or replaced by 1, 2, 3. On the next is Jack and Jill, so the M is replaced by 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to explain you the replace function. The syntax of replace function is equals replace text and then start number. You can see the syntax here. Start number of characters and the new text. So this will be the syntax of replace as I show you earlier here. This one. Going back to our problem number 2, using replace the first 3 digits with 1, 2, 3. So this text, we need to replace the first 3 digits with 1, 2, 3. So in this text, the first 3 digit is, or 3 letters is will be MIC. So we will replace MIC with 1, 2, 3. So replace will be like this, equals replace, and then the text, which is this one, you click the cell. The start number, since we are going to replace the third digit or the third letter from the left or the first 3, so our first number of start number will be 1 and our number of characters will be 3, and our new text will be 1, 2, 3, and then close parenthesis, enter, put some comma here and enter. So now we change the MIC with 1, 2, 3, and then you can copy and drag down below. So in first example, MIC is being replaced with 1, 2, 3, and the second example is LEB will be changed to 1, 2, 3. The TOM was changed to 1, 2, 3, and MMM was changed to 1, 2, 3. So that's the difference between these two functions. Although it's almost the same because they are replacing the old one to new one, but it's the difference is when how you're going to use it. Are you going to use it with like this with this replace, or you're going to do it like this? Now, since substitute is a case sensitive, what if you want to change the small letter and the big letter altogether? What will you do? So in my last video, I teach you how to change this one text with smaller, bigger, and combined. So this is how you apply the lower functions or the upper functions to change all this text to lower functions, and then you can change all the letter at the same time. So let's take for example this example number 3. If you want to replace the letter M, both letter M with 1, 2, 3, then you can write this one. You can convert first with big letters upper, and then you click the text, which is this one, and you have already changes the text of this letter, and then now you can copy this and then paste here. Not this one, you can paste here. So as you can see, M is being replaced with 1 to 3, and here also this the big letter M is changed to 1 to 3. So this is how you combine these functions to save you your working time, and then you can work very fast and you can do another job as well. So that's it for now, and then if you like this video, you can click the download below for a free ebook of 20 amazing Excel functions, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Carmelo Exclamado, and click the notification bell button so that you will be notified for the next videos that I'm going to release. Thank you.